Meaning of Ernie.
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 Ernie. Ernie is a natural language processing model developed by the Chinese technology company Baidu. It stands for Enhanced Representation Through Knowledge Integration and is designed to process complex language tasks such as reading comprehension and language translation. The model is built on top of the transformer architecture and achieves state-of-the-art results on various benchmarks in the field of NLP. Ernie has been widely adopted by researchers and practitioners around the world, and its continued development and improvement are expected to have a significant impact on the field of natural language processing.